Yahoo Finance Plus, my honest review and user experience with this premium stock research tool. Researching stocks can be overwhelming, but Yahoo Finance Plus promises premium insights and tools to make investing smarter. I used it extensively, and here's my honest experience. Most people assume Yahoo Finance is just free charts and quotes, but the surprising truth is the Plus subscription unlocks advanced features like real-time data, fair value analysis and comprehensive research reports from top analysts. Getting started was easy. I upgraded my account and instantly had access to portfolio analysis, advanced charting and downloadable data. I could track performance, screen stocks based on multiple criteria, and receive daily insights tailored to my holdings. The standout feature was the in-depth research reports, which saved hours of analysis. Alerts for unusual trading activity and potential buy-sell signals were also highly useful for making informed decisions quickly. The downside? Yahoo Finance Plus isn't cheap, and some features may overlap with other platforms. Casual investors might not need all the tools, making it more suited to active traders or those managing multiple positions. In conclusion, Yahoo Finance Plus is a powerful research tool that combines usability with depth. For serious investors seeking timely insights, analyst reports, and advanced data, it offers great value. If you want to take your stock research to the next level, Yahoo Finance Plus is worth considering.